As well as giving tenants the messaging area that we've shown you in a previous video, we also give them the ability to raise maintenance issues directly with you. You have that ability and that functionality as a manager. You can also share those with your landlord if you're a managing agent. But importantly, tenants can also raise all of those issues directly through their app. And it's a very simple process for them to do so. To access the messaging area, they simply scroll down to this area here, and they can report a maintenance issue from this button. By clicking it, they're given a bunch of pre-categorized items. Most maintenance issues will fall into general categories and subcategories. For example, if they select bathroom, it's going to give them options within the bathroom that tend to go wrong: leaky taps, faulty extraction fans, stuff like that. So what we're going to do today is just grab the bathroom example. We're going to say it's an extractor fan issue. We're going to say that there's no power. We're then presented with a few options. Is this a low, a medium, or a high risk item? The tenant can set that severity. You as a manager can review that severity. It'll tend to be marked as high, so it is up to you to mark that severity as you see fit. They can then give a description. They can add images if they want and attach a file. And then they can raise this as a private issue or a shared issue. Now, if it's a private issue, it suggests that it's an issue with their bedroom specifically. A shared issue may be something more like a communal fridge, the communal TV, the cooker, something that impacts all tenants. And the key thing about this is once they've raised it, the entire household will be notified. So it avoids that doubling up on communication and issues being raised on repeat. So we're going to mark this one as a private issue, and we're going to report it. Now, as opposed to that just disappearing, that is logged within the messaging center that I showed you in a previous video as an issue, as a ticket, I suppose. They can see the progress, they can see where it's at, whether it's in progress, completed, whether it's been closed, and they can follow things up. So they can follow you up as a manager and say, hey guys, just checking how this is going. But importantly for them, it provides transparency over the issue. And as you know, so many times when an issue is raised, it is transparency that in the early stages is perhaps more important than resolution. Resolution is the key aim, but transparency and communication are so important to manage expectation. So that is the maintenance area for tenants. Again, I'd really encourage your tenants to use that to raise maintenance issues because it allows you to keep a log, it allows you to keep a record, and importantly, it allows you to keep them up to speed and abreast of any changes and any developments with that particular maintenance issue. So that is COHO, and that is the maintenance area for tenants.